guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making giant bun. This recipe is enough to feed a whole family, and if you're making smaller buns, you can make around 6 out of it. So for this we'll be needing 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using castor sugar while making the bun. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk, 2 1/2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, and 1 egg. So I'm gonna start by adding all our dry ingredients to here. So that's the sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and our yeast. I'm gonna put this into the mixer. I'm just gonna let the dry ingredients mix together. Hold this K-hook, and I gave this a little stir with a whisk as well. I'm gonna put in the rest of my ingredients: our milk, oil, water, and egg. Let's turn the mixer on, and I'm going to let the mixer be on until this is well combined and has a dough consistency. Now that all of it is well mixed, I'm going to stop this, and we're going to add in 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of water, and both are lukewarm, into this. Because right now you can see that the texture is not dough-like, and it's very crummy. Once the dough has started to come together, we're going to take this out of the mixer. And we're going to knead this using our hands. I have dusted the counter with some all-purpose flour so it won't stick to the counter. Now I'm just going to knead this. Right. This has started to come together, and as you can see, there are no creaks or cuts. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in the steel pan, and I'm going to cover this with a cotton cloth. I'm going to put this outside in the sunlight or if you do not have sunlight, because in northern countries there's very less sunlight and it's really cold outside. So another thing you can do is that you can take warm water, and as you can see over here, I have this pan in which I'm going to put the warm water, and we can keep the dough inside that. Right. Let's do that. You have to be very careful while doing this because this is really hot water. And carefully just pour this in. Once that's there, I am going to keep the grill on top of this and put the dough on top of the grill. This way the steam will warm it, and also because the oven door will be shut, the steam is trapped inside. I'm going to let that rise for 2 hours, and I'll see you when this is risen. It's been 2 hours since the dough was in the oven, and it has risen, and you can see the like wrinkles coming in it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of flour and dust it on the surface. I'm just going to take our dough out. Like you can see the fluff over here. I'm just going to here it is. So we're just going to knead this, and comparatively, I can feel it becoming really soft compared to the last time. And like you can feel the air. Once the dough was kneaded, I rolled it out and I folded the edges and I've made this circular shape. What I'm going to do now is I'm taking my active fryer because it already has a circular mold. So I'm just going to put the dough at the bottom, and I have some water heating up here. I'm going to take the water out of the pan that we had 2 hours ago, and I'm going to put this water in. So the water's in. Our grill. And our dough. Okay. The corn cloth, and it goes. I'm gonna leave it in here for around 30 minutes to 1 hour until it rises again. It's been resting, and now we're gonna take it out. This is our dough. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna be baking this in the active fryer. I put it on the cake setting, and it says it's gonna take 40 minutes on medium-low heat. But I'm going to check after around 25 minutes to see if it has risen and if it's cooked. It's in. There you go. I'll see you in 25 minutes. Stage when 10 minutes have passed and it starts becoming a little hard, we're going to be doing an egg yolk wash. I'm only using the yolk, so we're just gonna brush the egg yolk on top. There. So once it's fully covered, I'm going to close. This is very hot right now. Alright, and I'm going to continue this. And I'm going to check on it after around 15 minutes. The bun is officially ready. Let's see what the results are. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Ooh, yummy. Ooh. God, it's hot. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out here. And we're gonna flip these. I'm using adult help, you know, because it's like really hot right now. What we do, there. So, here's the bun. Okay, so this is where the dissection happens of the burger. We're gonna dissect the burger in half after 10 minutes because it needs to cool. It needs to have its time. It's been working for 40 minutes. Alright, I'll see you in 10 minutes when this has officially cooled. 15 minutes of cooling, I cut it in half. So now you can put whatever sauces, chickens, and you know, vegetables you want to put. But that's the burger bun recipe. If you guys like this video, please tell me in the comments down below and like this video. And please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!